here we are with Monty again. He's doing a rain check, I heard.
This is the new CAP232 by Flex Innovations. I figured we're going to try it out.
It has a pilot inside and it's a very wide wing area.
It came with
Tactic.
shark teeth on the right side, but no shark teeth on the left.
Well, it has the jaw on the one side.
Yeah, so, but it should have shark teeth on both.
That's a lot of signature things. So you consider this a 3D basically?
It's a 3D.
Yeah,
it's a 3D. It's a really good 3D practice. Highly responsive.
Nice.
I put on carbon fiber landing gear.
That's nice. So it's a little bit more improved.
Stronger than what it came with. It should run great, dude.
Right.
So I'm doing a low power flight test.
So Monty wants to make sure nothing fails on the ground. Yeah, before.
That was proper. Find power is normal.
All the programming good. You have rates, probably different switches.
Yep. I'll do something simple. I'll just program one channel. Yeah.
Next
So
one.
yeah. So it's not too.
Not like Gary had a lot of program switches, I think.
Let's say this plane just flies straight as an arrow. Dead wind right now.
Oh, that's perfect time. Yeah, I should fly, right, actually. Smooth takeoff.
Tail heavy, so I'm gonna bring it back in and land it.
I see.
Just the battery.
Tail heavy, it's hard to control. You need to reposition the battery, he said. There we go. Flies good.
Really
Yeah, I will experience because most of the time I've been flying in the morning. You don't get that much that afternoon flights. Is it a good thing? It can be tricky, right? You got it. So that definitely carbon fiber on that crash is helping.
A balsa wood plank.
Balsa.
That would have been pretty bad.
Yeah, this is what happened to Majid right before. You saw that, right? He broke the landing gear on the landing on his gas airplane. Majid. That's good. Props are good. Landing is alright.
See the new landing gear, the carbon fiber.
Okay.
They use AeroWorks.
AeroWorks, oh. That's nice. So you can able to.
They don't produce the airplanes anymore.
But you had it from your previous airplanes?
From a 30cc Edge 540.
Nice. So
yeah.
you just use it.
So definitely the battery right there was too far back. So we got to go forward with it.
That makes the tail heavy. How important
So
is check the CG, right?
CG is so important. And it felt pretty good, but I did move it and then I didn't feel it. CG is really important for 3D.
Monty, do you have a Velcro? Like the sticky Velcro. If you want, actually,
it's sticky. Look, it's in there.
here's something we can do interesting.
There
Do you want to put the Mobius camera inside? We can take the whole thing inside as well. You want to try that? The same that we did with Gary.
Why not?
We need something, a Velcro to stick on it. Okay, let me bring what I have and let's see. Where would you put it? Outside or inside the cockpit? Outside, anywhere outside. It's very light, right? It's a Mobius camera, yeah. So let's record on board and one from the ground. How's that? All right, I'm gonna bring it back. We'll be right back. The Velcro? So no, we can do it here. This is what I have.
Put on double stick.
Let me see which part I have. I have the hard part on the camera, so you need a soft.
Got it. It's
soft
in my box.
somewhere. Yeah.
Take it back.
So let's see what we can find. We can come back in here and do it if you want.
But
isn't
that a neat little plane?
Yeah, it is.
Stable.
I can't wait to see the coverage actually in the air.
Take off. Slow rate.
Yeah.
I mushroomed the landing gear my first maiden. It's just doing a stupid waterfall thing.
Right.
Oh, it's gonna. But it just came down mushroomed.
Nice.
Gear with it. A couple of real cheap components to this airplane, but if you're handy, you can modify.
It's easy to modify.
And it's easy to
Nice.
move stuff back. It's just C8 glue and accelerator.
That's the lifesaver. Okay, let's try with the Mobius camera on board. I'll be right back. Well, here's the Mobius 2 camera that we're gonna be putting on Monty's airplane. Probably is gonna stay outside and right on that CG point. We're gonna capture the footage in the air. It will be fun. Alright, so Monty looking for... What are you looking, Monty? Can you tell me? What do we need? You're
just getting, I gotta cut this damn Velcro right. Scissors. I do have scissors. See my pile.
Somewhere, right? There's his Monty's toolbox.
Here's nice.
You almost have everything right there.
Jeez. The things you collect.
Yeah.
Throughout life.
Things stays inside. You never know when you need this.
Right.
They have
always have 2 of each.
That's true. Alright.
So what I'm gonna do is two deals stick here. Where's that Mobius camera?
I can take it.
You see it? Cool.
So you're gonna glue that thing down?
This double stick piece here. Right onto this.
It's extremely strong, do you think?
Yeah, it's 3N. We'll test it.
Okay.
Just make sure.
As long as that thing
Camera,
stays.
dude. Yeah.
Alright, Monty is an experienced pilot. He is
trying.
We
can all make mistakes.
Trying some workaround to put it on the outside the cockpit. I think I should be carrying some velcros as well with the camera as usually. Yeah, right. Where's the engine? The CG point. That's it. Yeah.
Good. Right there, CG.
But hold on a second, before we put that. It's probably gonna capture a lot of the white space on it because we don't have too much on it. How is this one?
Hey, buddy. Good.
Monty, would it be good here?
Yeah, you good?
I will prefer that angle part, like, yeah, that's will be much
push
better.
the button. I don't know.
No, you're good. Okay.
Push the button.
You're okay. As long as it stays, I'm good.
It might not.
If I can try, let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah, you should be just fine.
You think so?
Yeah, that's good. It's there. Okay, as soon as you're ready, I'm gonna start it. Okay. So yeah, this is better because we don't want to see this white reflected area. Now this is a little bit of an angle. It's gonna be shooting here. Probably we're gonna see the tip of the engine on the recording, but I think it'll be good. All right, let me turn it on before we go. I'm gonna turn on the Mobius. It's pretty much on now. It should be blinking at some point. Is it? Blinking is good. It's recording now. And here is
it supposed to?
Yeah, that's good. It started.
It's not. It's not blinking now.
It's blinking. It's good, Monty. No worries. You got it. No, you're good. Wow, that's fast. Look at that. So we are synchronized recording now. Nice. How does it feel? Did it change any CG?
Pretty good, yeah. I think the...
Do you feel any difference?
A little bit, yeah, a lot better.
Better. The battery helped to move the battery.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, if you do a little bit like low passes here, I can capture much better. Alright.
It's kicking around today because it's so hot.
It was a hot day. Nice. So any acrobacy you're gonna be doing, it will look interesting.
This thing. It's really good. Second flight.
Nice. Another low pass. Very strong engine. Definitely. Whoa, look at that. Look at the birds going that way. The camera is still up there, looks like it's pretty strong adhesive. So my recommendation, just keep the Velcro or something above in the future if you ever need to record, that will be ready. Very nice. Look at that, inverted. So how's the wind? Is it good?
Yeah, it's pushing me around a little bit.
It does.
It's just the way it goes, you know?
Very nice.
Could be flying west at
Coming to a landing, smooth landing.
Oh, see the wind?
That was better.
That tail.
It did,
Oh
yeah.
boy.
It's the
That's
same thing happening, yeah.
Back up.
It's always to this side, right?
I don't like that bump.
So that was a pretty cool flight though.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see the camera. Are you gonna do one more?
One more. Let's do it double landing. Gotta get those landings down, my friend.
Actually, we can try some takeoff and landings.
This way.
If you can do takeoff and landings, it's gonna look pretty awesome.
Cool.
Let's try that.
Let's try it.
Like, stay close to ground and high speed. Yep, the wind is right there, you're right. Is it always like that in the afternoon?
Oh yeah.
It's the sun, right?
Whips around. Look at it.
Very strong. Okay. Woo! Nice. Low pass. I love the camera's position there.
Yeah, I do. It's really cool. Thanks
It's
for
gonna
letting me
come
do this.
pretty cool, yeah.
That is.
So what do you think the difference, this direction on the wind? The runway, we just changed it that way. Is it more comfortable?
A lot better. Yeah, look at this slip.
Yeah, lots of lift. Look at that. Nice. Because it was short runway, but it was still flying.
Ooh, it's flying. Yeah.
Is it total fort? Oh, nice. There's no more maiden flight.
We'll start flying it better.
Nice. So I definitely got a pretty good coverage of Mobius. You're gonna do a pass in front of the camera, it will probably capture you. Just go in front of the airplane. There's Monty. Yeah. Cool. Good flight. Good pilot.
Thanks, buddy.
He knows. Yeah. I changed it. That's awesome. Everything intact and camera's still up there and
Very
recording.
good.
So that's
Yeah.
how I turn it off. I press the power button. So it's a power on and power off. It just records in the middle.
So cool. Mobius.
That's simple. No screen, nothing.
Sweet.
The left.
The whole thing. See the
Yeah.
the Velcro still on the back of the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you. It did, but it worked for the moment. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Yep.
And
it's still out
we'll
there.
get some good 3D
I love
out of
it.
this thing.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's good 3D practice.